Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to register for a business license. First, you'll want to clearly define your business structure, whether it's a sole proprietorship, partnership, or a limited liability company. Next, select a distinctive business name and confirm its availability with your state's Secretary of State or equivalent office. This crucial step ensures your chosen name is unique and legally usable. Finally, pinpoint the exact type of license or permit necessary for your specific industry and business activities. Once your business structure and name are set, it's time to dive into research. You'll need to investigate federal, state, and local licensing requirements, as these can vary significantly. For instance, a food service business will have different needs than a consulting firm. Always check with your city or county clerk's office to understand local permits and zoning regulations. Additionally, some professions, like healthcare or law, require specific professional licenses, so be sure to identify those early on. Now, let's talk about the application itself. Begin by gathering all required documentation, which typically includes personal identification, your business registration papers, and sometimes a business plan. Carefully complete all application forms, ensuring every detail is accurate to avoid delays. Submit these forms to the appropriate federal, state, or local agency. Remember to pay any associated application fees. These can vary widely, from around $25 to several hundred, depending on your business type and location. Congratulations, you've secured your business license. Now, it's important to maintain it properly. Always display your license prominently at your primary business location, making it visible to customers and inspectors. Be sure to understand the renewal process and mark those deadlines on your calendar to ensure continuous active status. Finally, stay informed about any changes in federal, state, or local regulations that might impact your license or require additional permits. This proactive approach helps ensure long-term compliance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.